In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha Dividends. We'll walk through how to find the dividend information you need and how to read it with confidence so you can quickly understand a stock's income profile and sustainability. First, head to the Seeking Alpha website in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site so the data you see is accurate and up to date. You can use it without signing in, and the layout is straightforward on both desktop and mobile, though positions of certain sections may vary slightly. Next, use the search bar at the top to look up a stock by its ticker symbol. For example, enter the short code for the company you're researching, then select the correct listing from the dropdown. If you don't know the ticker, start typing the company name and pick the matching result. Be sure you're opening the right share class or market listing if the company has more than one. Once you select the result, you'll land on the stock's main page. This page gathers an overview, price chart, news, and analysis in one place. From here, you're going to scroll down to the Dividends section. Depending on the layout, you'll see a Dividends widget and a link or tab labeled Dividend Scorecard. You can review the highlights right in the section, and if you want a fuller breakdown, open the Dividend Scorecard for more detail. Here's how to read what you see. The forward dividend yield shows the expected annual dividend as a percentage of the current price. Because it's tied to price, the yield moves when the stock moves. The annual payout per share tells you how much cash you'd receive per share over a year at the current rate. The payout ratio shows what portion of earnings is being paid out as dividends. A lower, stable ratio generally suggests more room to maintain or grow the dividend, but what's comfortable can differ by industry. Look for the dividend growth rate and any streak of consecutive increases to gauge consistency over time. The ex-dividend date is critical. To receive the next payment, you must own shares before that date. You'll also see payment frequency, like quarterly or monthly, which helps with planning income. Many pages include grades or factor scores for safety and consistency, plus a short history of past payments and growth. That's it. Go to Seeking Alpha, search the ticker, open the stock page, and scroll to the Dividends or Dividend Scorecard section to interpret the yield, payout, growth, and key dates. With these basics, you'll be able to evaluate dividend information quickly and clearly.